Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put in a code on your PlayStation 5. It's a straightforward process that allows you to unlock new games, add-ons, or even PlayStation Store credit. We'll walk through accessing the PlayStation Store and finding the correct redemption option. Make sure your 12-digit voucher code is handy, as you'll need to enter it precisely to complete the process successfully. Let's get started. First, power on your PlayStation 5 console and navigate to the home screen. You'll see various icons representing your games and applications. Look for the PlayStation Store icon, which usually resembles a shopping bag or a PlayStation logo. Select this icon to enter the store. This is where all the digital magic happens, and it's the first crucial step in redeeming your code. Once you're inside the PlayStation Store, you'll notice a menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down through these options until you find Redeem Codes. It's usually near the bottom of the list. Select this option to proceed to the next step, where you'll input your unique code. This dedicated section ensures a smooth and accurate redemption process for your digital content. Now you'll see a screen with a field to enter your code. Take your time and carefully input the 12-digit voucher code exactly as it appears. Pay close attention to any hyphens or special characters. After entering, double-check for accuracy to avoid errors. Once you're confident, select Redeem or Confirm to finalize the process and add your new content to your PlayStation 5 library. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.